Hey my loves, this is Raven from Raven's Reviews and welcome back to my channel. So today I have taken the Holy Trinity out, baby. Madam Glam's base coat, their Builder Gel Serenity, Pure Serenity, and their top coat. Cause mama got a crack. This is the kind of crack that makes nail techs cry. So I have a huge ouchie here, and if you guys saw when this video was originally uploaded, this is a repost. YouTube was a big meanie and there was a glitch and my video got deleted. But not to fear, accidents are here. I cracked my nail again because I wasn't able to finish the rest of the service, putting on my color and top coat to add maximum strength. So on an errand, I hit my nail very bad against a counter and that baby cracked. But it was almost serendipitous as I lost all the footage for this video, and with the YouTube glitch, it went bye-bye. So we are going to go right back in to this life hack of how to fix your natural broken nail. As you see, I want to be very gentle on the natural nail, so though that video was sped up, I was going very easy breezy. I made sure that the rotary speed was not too high, and I actually used a sanding band, so when I got down to my natural nail, I would not cause further damage to that area. So in the original video, the crack was even larger than this. Luckily, when it did re-crack, it didn't go the full way. Now, generally, when you do your patch up, you will not have any issues of re-injury, but because I did not finish the service, here we are. So I'm going in with a pre-cut tea bag. You can take any tea bag at home you like, cut the top off, take out all the contents, and just make sure you cut yourself a nice tiny square to patch up your nail. The smaller the better, so that it can lay flat on the nail without curving upwards. So I am using Madam Glam's base coat on that freshly buffed and taken down nail. I am making sure to go slow and thin, making sure that I'm putting a nice amount of coverage of the product, but not so much that it's seeping. Once you have that area covered of the crack, you just take your small patch. This is going to really add to strengthen the nail and allow your nails to fully grow out. So a few months back, I actually fully cracked my ring finger and middle finger, and now they have fully grown out with no re-injuries. So what happened here is it's very unique. It doesn't happen very often, but due to my chronic pain, sometimes I'm not able to finish the service, and that's why I wasn't able to complete the end game of this nail. But it worked out so that I could actually show anybody that wasn't able to see the video when it first posted how I repair my nails after a nasty break. I do have to give a large shout out to Madam Glam. Thank you for keeping my nails so healthy, long, and strong. In all of my years getting my nails done, I have never had such healthy nails. And it's bound when your nails grow a certain length that cracks are so much more easy to happen. And I am very rough with my hands between cleaning and everything that I've got to do on a day-to-day. I just do it. And that's why I truly love gel polish, because once you've done a full service, I find there's no peeling, there's no cracks, there's no issues. I usually fall into problems with my nails cracking when I've only done my fill with no color and I've had to pause the service due to pain. But this is a really amazing way that if you do have a crack in your natural nail, you do not have to cut all that hard work away, all those months of growing. You just have to repair it. And it's as easy as getting a tea bag, y'all. And it's so easy. Everybody generally has got one. And it just adds such an amazing strength to your nail. So once you have that cured, you're just going to get your builder gel and go on with a normal overlay. And once you have that buffed to perfection, you pick whatever color you're going to use, and there you go. You have a brand spanking new nail, no crack included. Oh my goodness, my beautiful family. This whole experience showed me, you know, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And I definitely took the situation, and instead of dwelling on the missing video, I created a new one for y'all. I hope this video has been helpful. And if you have any questions on repairing nails, or on if you have a specific situation, feel free to message me. And I'd love to hear in the comments down below if you found this video helpful. I cannot wait to see you in the next video, and all the discount codes for Madam Glam will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Mwah. And remember, do all things with love.